Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this section, we'll be going over a demo of Microsoft Copilot Studio. So, to get started, you want to simply Google Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then you'll click on the Microsoft page for Copilot Studio. You should be able to try Copilot Studio for free, so we'll just start on that. All you have to do is sign up using your work or school email. It's a very quick process. After that, you should arrive on the home page of Copilot Studio. So on this page, in the middle here, you can decide what your Copilot should do and create a custom one. Or you can start with a template. They have a few available for you to choose from, such as safe travels to answer questions regarding health and safety guidelines. Store operations improves the efficiency of retail frontline workers. Sustainability Insights enables users to easily get insights and data about a company's sustainability goals and progress. Voice, a Copilot with voice capabilities. Website Q&A instantly answers user questions using the content of your website or other knowledge sources. For our example, we can choose the website Q in a template, but we'll create a custom one. So, we'll be making a Copilot to answer questions for the Exam Pro platform. I already have a description ready for this, so I'll copy and paste it over here. It's basically create a Copilot to answer questions for users on the exampro.co platform. For the description of the Copilot, I'll make some small adjustments. So, it'll be a Copilot that answers questions for users on the exampro.co platform. I will name the Copilot Andrew Brown. For the instructions, I have something prepared. It's basically a few things that the Copilot should do, such as helping with course recommendations based on user preferences like beginner, intermediate, or expert. Provide detailed information about each course, including topics covered, duration, cost, and prerequisites. Answer questions related to enrollment, pricing, discounts, and certifications. Assist with account issues, access to course materials, and troubleshooting. Offer guidance on certification paths and exam preparation for various cloud providers. Explain features of the Exam Pro platform, such as subscription options, bundles, and special offers. And direct users to relevant sections of the exampro.co website for more detailed information. Now we need to add knowledge, so let's click on Add Knowledge. So we have a lot of options to choose from, but what we want is public website as our knowledge source. We're going to use the exampro.co website in this example. And add it. Click on Add again. After that, on the top right, we should click Create. After a short wait, the Copilot should be ready. So, on the overview page, we have our Copilot name, description, instructions, knowledge, and so on. Let's give this Copilot a quick try. I'll type something simple like how do I sign up? The answer they gave me seems pretty straightforward. It provides steps to how to sign up, and it provides a link to the exampro.co platform. The conversation start message does not seem to be quite welcoming, or it's directed towards the creator of the Copilot instead of the users. The ending portion says if you provided a website during creation, try asking me about it. Next, try giving me some more knowledge by setting up generative AI. So, we don't want that. I have a better conversation start trigger message prepared. Let's click into the box, and I'll copy and paste it over here. The new conversation start message is, "Hello, I'm Andrew, a virtual assistant for Exam Pro. Just so you know, I sometimes use AI to help answer your questions. I'm here to assist you with any inquiries you may have about the Exam Pro platform, including our range of cloud and tech courses such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, GCP, and more. How can I help you today?" So then we'll hit the Save button. Let's press the refresh button to check out the new changes. So that's much better and friendly. The next thing we want to look at are the topics. So let's go to the Topics tab on the top. So these topics here are pre-generated for us. We have the goodbye, greetings, lessons 1 to 3, start over, and thank you topics. We're going to create one for ourselves. So let's click on Add a Topic, and we'll choose blank. So here we have trigger phrases. Trigger phrases are specific words or phrases that activate a particular response from the Copilot. They act as keywords that the Copilot listens for to understand what the user wants. We're going to list some trigger phrases for this specific topic. I'll be adding phrases such as, what features does Exam Pro offer, and some of its derivatives like, what benefits does Exam Pro provide to its users? How does Exam Pro enhance my learning experience? What tools and resources are included with Exam Pro? After that, we'll be creating a node. We have a lot of options to choose from, but we'll select Send a Message. So I have a message prepared for this, and I'll copy and paste this over to the message box. So this basically lists all of the features that Exam Pro offers, such as video lectures, cheat sheets, flashcards, practice exams, study notes, hands-on labs, and so on. We'll also give the topic a name like what features does Exam Pro offer. After that, we'll hit the Save button. So let's give it a try. I'll type what features does Exam Pro offer. And there we go. We got the message that was provided. The next thing we'll do is create another topic, but this time we'll make it a bit more complex. A common question that might be asked is, what course should I take? Or recommend me a course. So we'll add in some of the trigger phrases that are related to this question. I'll add in, what course do you recommend? Can you recommend me a course? I am new to cloud computing. Where should I start? So we're going to be creating another node. We already did message. There's other options such as ask a question, ask with adaptive card, add a condition, variable management, and many more. We'll be using ask a question in this example. We're going to be asking the user, what cloud platform are you interested in? AWS, Azure, or GCP? And we're going to be creating a multiple choice option. We'll be creating 4 possible answers, starting with AWS, then Azure, GCP, and then there's other. Under the Options for User section, we'll hit on the Add New Option button. This is where we enter in our 4 options. For some reason, the question, what cloud platform are you interested in, did not save, so I'll simply add it again. We're going to need to create another node for each of the conditions that we listed, so those conditions are the 4 multiple choice options that we created. I have the messages prepared for each possible answer, so we'll copy and paste them into the message box. For AWS, we have something like we recommend the AWS Cloud Practitioner and a short description of it. For Azure, we recommend the Azure Fundamentals. For GCP, you should consider the Google Cloud Digital Leader. And for other, I provided a message such as, in addition to AWS, Azure, and GCP courses, we offer various courses such as Terraform, Kubernetes, bootcamps, and other specialized courses to expand your cloud computing knowledge. I will give the topic the name, what course should I take, and hit the Save button. I'll press the refresh button for the Copilot to test it out. So let's type in, what course should I take? It'll provide a follow-up question asking what cloud platform I'm interested in and give me the 4 options to choose from: AWS, Azure, GCP, and other. This question helps choose the cloud platform I'm interested in and narrow down my options. For testing purposes, I'll click on AWS for the first option. Here, it'll provide me with the message set up earlier, so it recommends me the AWS Cloud Practitioner course and gives me a link that I can navigate to. So let's click into that. So here's the AWS Cloud Practitioner course on the Exam Pro platform, showing cost, course outline and contents, and more. Let's try typing in, what course do you recommend, to see what the Copilot provides. So it still gives us the 4 multiple choice options, but this time let's click on the other option for this. So this message provides me with information on other courses available apart from AWS, Azure, and GCP, as well as a link to the course catalog. I'll click and check it out. And here's the list of categories, and I'll choose HashiCorp and check out the Terraform one briefly. So that's pretty much the basics of topics. For actions, you have quite a lot of options to choose from. You can choose delete a row, get a forecast for today, get worksheets, and so many more. But for this example, we don't necessarily need to use any of these actions. So after testing out our Copilot, and it seems to be functional, we can simply click on the Publish button on the top right to publish the Copilot. And that's an overview and short demo on Copilot Studio.